Saachin and Vignesh, you guys are doing computer science, right?
Yep.
Is computer science related to robotics? Hi, I'm Aminah. Are you crazy about robots? Are you interested in them? Because this segment is all about robotics. Interesting news, tailors will be launching their robotics program in 2021. Alright, let's get started. I have 3 tailorians with me today, so why don't you guys introduce yourselves?
Hi, my name is Saachin. I'm one of the board of directors of Agents of Tech.
Hi, my name is Ong Wea Hung and I'm the president of TRC.
Hi, I'm Vignesh and I'm doing Bachelor of Computer Science.
So welcome to the segment, guys. So Ong, you told me that you're the president of the Tailors Robotic Club, right?
Yep.
So why don't you tell us more about robotics?
So robotics in general, you have 3 main sections. You have your AI, which is similar to your Google Nest and your Alexa systems. You have your autonomous, which are Teslas and also a brand named NIO. And the third one is known as a human input robot. So a human's input towards a system will create a mechanical or robotic output.
Oh, I see. So I've heard that you built a Sumo Robot.
Yep.
So can you tell us more about Sumo Robot? What is it?
Instead of telling you about it, how about I show you?
Okay.
Alright, can you help me move the table?
Alright. Okay, come on, help us next.
So Ong, how long did you do this robot?
Yeah, this robot was built within 3 to 2 months-ish.
Wow, cool.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. What do you use to control it?
I used a Bluetooth app which I programmed off my own server.
Okay.
Yeah. So, do you want me just demonstrating it to you?
Yes, definitely.
Alright.
Let's go.
Alright, so it basically works on the prefaces exactly as a sumo. So, opponent A versus opponent B. The first opponent to be pushed out of the ring onto the white circle loses. So,
Alright.
I'll demo it for you.
Okay, cool.
Alright, so this is how it works.
So you just have to push the opponent out of the ring, then you're considered as the winning side.
Yep, exactly.
Okay, alright. So Saachin and Vignesh, you guys are doing computer science, right?
Yep.
Is computer science related to robotics?
Definitely, because as you can see from the programming side of things, engineering requires programming codes to program how the machine or the tool interacts. For example, as you can see, the Sumo Robot, it is programmed to move forward or either move backward. So we need to initiate a certain instruction or a code so that it can decide whether to move forward, to knock off the opponent, or to just being knocked off by the opponent. Now at the same time, we can also initiate what speed we want it to be pushed. So like as you can see, probably it's moving maybe 5 kilometers per hour. So we can also program how fast it can go, whether it should go in front or not. And yeah.
Alright, so Vignesh, do you think there's a relation?
Definitely there's a relation between computer science and robotics, mainly on the operation side, where in computer science you learn Python programming. So in Python programming there is this, if these particular situations match, the robot does this particular operation, else the other particular operations. This you can summarize and say as is the thinking process of the robot.
Alright, so the Python and the programming side that you said is what he deemed as commands, right?
Yes.
Right, okay. So Ong, do you see a future in robotics?
Robotics, I definitely see there's a future in robotics, mainly because the education system we are in now will require much more robotic input. This is because, as you can see, medical appliances, as medical devices are being used more towards robotics, such as surgery, robots, and also the common day blood pressure devices, and also the thermometers.
Right. So what about you, Vignesh? Do you think there's a future in robotics?
For sure. As for now, we are transitioning to the IR 4.0, where everything is going to be autonomous, and robotics come into place where, as human nature, we tend to want things to be more easier for us. Robotic does that by helping us move heavy stuff. For example, in defense industry, it uses as a bomb diffuser.
Alright, so now that's an informative segment. If you have any questions, do reach out to our counselors or have a live chat session with our UniBuddy ambassadors. Don't go anywhere, the next segment is coming right up. Bye!
Bye.
I want to
Bye-bye.
try, can I try?